Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Workday mobile app easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Workday mobile app on your device. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, you will be greeted with the login screen. Enter your company's Workday tenant name in the designated field. This is usually provided by your employer or IT department. After entering the tenant name, tap Next or Continue. Now, you'll see enter your username in the first field. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, look for a Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, tap the Sign In button. The app may prompt you to verify your identity through multi-factor authentication if set up. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will be directed to your Workday dashboard. At this point, you're successfully logged into the Workday mobile app. Explore the features available to you based on your company's configuration. Always remember to log out after use for security purposes. To log out, tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top of the screen. Then select the Logout option to exit the app safely. You're now ready to manage your Workday tasks on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.